Remember when your first car cost around $15,000? Now picture buying a Tesla for $12,749.
We need to make sure that it works. This is some crazy technology we got.
Here is what makes this moment different. Pilot production lines are reportedly running at Giga, Texas. Prototypes are said to be testing on California highways. The planned reveal is Q2 2026, with first deliveries targeted for August 2026. That timeline is close enough to feel real and far enough to keep most people asleep. But this is not just a cheaper Tesla, it is a reset, a full redesign of what a car is supposed to be and what you should never have to pay for again. Tesla is aiming at 7 engineering breakthroughs that could make traditional ownership feel outdated. Oil changes, brake jobs, dealer visits, surprise repairs, the whole expensive routine that has been normalized for decades. Now for the part most reviewers avoid saying out loud.
I think it has a shot at being the most memorable product unveil ever. It has a shot. I can't do the unveil before then.
The average American over 55 can spend roughly $9,400 per year on car ownership once you add insurance, fuel, maintenance, and unexpected repairs. That is about $94,000 every 10 years, just to keep a vehicle moving while it steadily loses value. Think about the math in real life. If you bought a 2018 Honda Accord for $28,000, it might be worth around $14,000 today. That is half the value gone in about 6 years, while you still pay month after month to maintain it. The Model 2 is designed to flip that equation, not by making a car slightly cheaper, but by attacking the cost traps that keep drivers locked into endless spending. In this video, I will break down why the Model 2 could realistically be the last car you ever need to buy. And if you are over 55, pay close attention, because breakthrough number 6 is built for people who are finished donating their time and money to maintenance. Subscribe now, because over the next 13 minutes, you will see why legacy automakers are genuinely nervous about what Tesla is preparing to launch. Breakthrough 1. Aerospace-grade rigid chassis. Tesla's unboxed manufacturing process is designed to slash production costs by up to 50%, while reducing factory floor space by around 40%. This is not a minor efficiency gain. It is a structural overhaul of how cars are built. 9,000-ton Giga casting press replaces roughly 70 individual stamped components. Fewer parts mean fewer failure points. No welds means no structural weak spots. No bolts means no rattles after 100,000 miles of real-world driving. The result is a single, solid casting made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy with a tensile strength of 450 megapascals, which is stronger than the steel frames used in most compact vehicles today. Each casting cycle takes 80 to 90 seconds, allowing 40 to 45 full chassis sections per hour. That level of speed is what makes this price point possible without sacrificing engineering quality. The structural battery pack then becomes the load-bearing floor of the vehicle. Instead of acting as dead weight, it distributes crash forces across the entire chassis, similar to the way a fighter jet fuselage manages stress. The result is a torsional stiffness rating of 45,000 Newton meters per degree, which is about 30% stiffer than the Model 3 and nearly double that of a Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla. In real terms, this stiffness means sharper handling, far less flex during cornering, and an interior that stays quiet and solid even after 200,000 miles. This is the kind of rigidity drivers usually associate with premium vehicles. Despite the strength, the entire body structure weighs only 220 to 240 kilograms, making it 25 to 35 kilograms lighter than traditional designs. That weight reduction lowers energy consumption by 2 to 4% at highway speeds and helps keep cabin noise between 64 and 66 decibels, which is quieter than the average living room. In crash testing, The chassis is engineered to absorb impact energy equivalent to being struck by an SUV at 37 miles per hour, using controlled deformation to keep the passenger cell intact. This is the key takeaway. This is a $12,749 car engineered with the mindset and safety margins of a $60,000 vehicle. If safety and long-term durability matter to you, comment Safe Model 2. Breakthrough 2. The end of phantom braking. Every Tesla owner knows this fear. The car suddenly brakes without warning, even when the road ahead is clear. It is dangerous, uncomfortable, and has damaged Tesla's reputation more than almost any other issue. The Model 2 is designed to solve this problem with FSD Supervised version 14. 1. Part of Tesla's latest 2025 holiday software update. This system runs on neural networks with 10 times more parameters, trained on millions of miles of real-world driving data. The hardware stack is completely revised. Model 2 uses 12 higher-resolution 360-degree cameras, upgraded millimeter-wave radar that is 50% more precise than earlier versions, and ultrasonic sensors for close-range maneuvering. For the first time in an affordable Tesla, a short-range LiDAR unit is integrated into the front bumper. All of this information feeds into an advanced neural network with triple-layer cross-verification. Cameras identify obstacles and read road signs. Radar calculates exact distance and closing speed. Artificial intelligence models predict the next moves of vehicles, cyclists, and pedestrians before they happen. After 180,000 kilometers of real-world testing across rush-hour traffic, construction zones, and severe weather, this system eliminated phantom braking entirely. No false stops. Not once. For drivers in Los Angeles, San Diego, and the Bay Area, stop-and-go traffic becomes calm instead of exhausting. Commutes that once demanded constant tension now feel controlled and predictable. New features include smart arrival logic that selects the best available parking spot, custom speed profiles ranging from chill to hurrying, and significantly improved hand gesture recognition for intuitive control. Power comes from an LFP battery delivering 300 to 350 miles of real-world range. That covers a full week of commuting or an easy road trip. Charging from 0 to 80% takes about 25 minutes on a supercharger. No range anxiety, no sudden braking scares, just smooth, confident driving from start to finish. Breakthrough 3. Double-layer safety doors with manual backup. According to Bloomberg, more than 140 complaints were filed, most from Model Y owners, involving electronic doors that failed during crashes or fires when power was lost. In several cases, passengers could not exit the vehicle. Children and elderly occupants were trapped when seconds mattered most. Tesla addressed this issue by completely redesigning the Model 2 door system. Under normal conditions, the doors operate electronically using touchless sensors. A simple tap on the handle opens the door smoothly and automatically. However, concealed within the interior door trim is a stainless steel mechanical release. This backup requires no electricity at all. With less than 5 kilograms of force, the latch disengages and the door opens instantly. A 72-year-old adult can operate it with one hand. A 10-year-old child can use it without assistance. Tesla validated this system through 10,000 simulated emergency scenarios at Giga Texas, including total power loss, fires, and rollovers. The manual release functioned successfully 99.8% of the time. In real-world crash conditions, it allows passengers to exit the vehicle within 3 to 5 seconds, reducing potential injury risk by up to 40%. This is not a marketing feature. It is a life-saving engineering decision. And it comes as standard equipment on every Model 2. Breakthrough 4. 19-inch Graphene, infused tires with aero caps. Tesla formed an exclusive partnership with Bridgestone to rethink one of the most overlooked parts of vehicle safety and efficiency: the wheels and tires. Most affordable electric vehicles ship with basic 17 or 18-inch wheels. The Model 2 does not. It comes standard with 19-inch Bridgestone Turanza EV tires, increasing road contact by roughly 15%. That larger contact patch improves grip, stability, and weight distribution in everyday driving. The real innovation is in the rubber itself. These tires use graphene, infused compounds, an advanced carbon material typically reserved for high-performance vehicles priced above $80,000. Graphene dramatically improves durability, making the tires 37% more wear-resistant. Under normal conditions, this translates to up to 100,000 miles of tread life with minimal degradation. The tread design is equally intentional. Deep, directional grooves create a lotus leaf effect, forcing water, snow, and mud away from the contact surface almost instantly. This sharply reduces hydroplaning risk and maintains traction in poor weather, even at highway speeds. Covering the wheels are Tesla's aerodynamic caps, which reduce drag by about 10%. That efficiency gain adds an estimated 20 to 30 miles of range per charge. The covers also shield wheel hubs and brake components from dirt, moisture, and road salt, cutting corrosion by approximately 40% over time. The result is a true install and forget system. No seasonal tire swaps. No constant replacements, just long, lasting grip, lower maintenance, and consistent performance year after year. This is not a cost-saving compromise. It is another example of engineering focus where most manufacturers cut corners. Breakthrough 5. Intelligent adaptive suspension. Imagine a $12,000 car that rides more smoothly than a luxury sedan costing 5 times as much. That is the target Tesla set for the Model 2. The Model 2 uses intelligent adaptive suspension with electromagnetic dampers that respond in just 10 milliseconds, which is roughly 5 times faster than even the best air suspension systems on the market. This speed allows the suspension to react before passengers ever feel the road. An onboard artificial intelligence system scans the surface up to 10 meters ahead, using a combination of cameras, radar, and GPS data. When rough pavement or potholes are detected, the suspension is preloaded 1 second before impact. The vehicle raises itself by 5 centimeters and softens spring rates, reducing vibration by up to 60%. The ride quality matches vehicles like the Audi RS7 or BMW 5 Series, which typically cost around $75,000. At highway speeds above 60 miles per hour, the system shifts priorities. The car lowers by 1.5 inches to reduce aerodynamic drag, firms the dampers for added stability, and cuts cabin noise by 25%. The result is an interior that feels calm, controlled, and nearly silent. This suspension setup is not about comfort alone. It reduces fatigue on long drives and keeps the tires in optimal contact with the road, improving safety when it matters most. This is another example of how the Model 2 delivers premium driving behavior at a price point no one expected. Breakthrough 6. Self-maintenance neural network. This is the breakthrough that fundamentally reshapes car ownership, especially for anyone exhausted by unexpected repair bills. The Model 2 is engineered to monitor and manage itself. More than 200 onboard sensors continuously track every critical system, including battery cells, electric motors, tire pressure, brake pads, cooling circuits, suspension wear, and long-term component degradation. All of this data feeds into an artificial intelligence neural network that analyzes patterns in real time. The system does not wait for failures to happen. It identifies early warning signals and predicts potential issues weeks or even months before they would normally become known. When begins to form, the vehicle responds automatically. Using 5G or Starlink connectivity, it downloads over-the-air software updates, typically completed in 15 to 30 minutes overnight. These updates adjust charging behavior to extend battery lifespan, refine regenerative braking to reduce mechanical brake wear by around 10%, and update terrain mapping to optimize suspension response. Between 2020 and 2025, Tesla's over The Air Update system saved owners an estimated $2 billion in repair and service costs. For Model 2 drivers, projections indicate average savings of about $1,200 per year compared to traditional gasoline vehicles. There are no oil changes, no transmission fluid, no spark plugs, no timing belts. Most maintenance issues are resolved digitally without a service appointment or dealership visit. This is the car that breaks the costly dealership cycle. You focus on driving, the vehicle handles the rest. Breakthrough 7. Next-generation battery technology. Tesla's research teams are reportedly in the final testing phase for 2 advanced battery chemistries planned for the 2026 Model 2: sodium-ion and aluminum-ion cells. Traditional lithium-ion packs typically fall to about 80% capacity after 1,500 to 2,000 charge cycles. For drivers who charge daily, that can translate into noticeable range loss after roughly 3 to 4 years. Tesla's sodium-ion approach uses a salt-based ionic liquid gel electrolyte with a boiling point above 250 degrees C. Because it does not evaporate under normal operating conditions, chemical stability improves significantly. These packs are designed to handle 3,000 to 5,000 full charge cycles before dropping below 80% capacity. With a 75 kWh battery pack, that equates to approximately 1.4 to 2.8 million kilometers of lifetime energy throughput. And because sodium is abundant, the long-term goal is to keep production costs low. For faster charging, the aluminum-ion option is described as being in advanced development. Aluminum ions carry 3 electrical charges instead of 1, enabling an ultra-fast 20C charge rate. In simple terms, that targets a full charge in about 7 minutes. With the same 75 kWh capacity, aluminum-ion packs are projected to achieve 9,000 to 10,000 charge cycles with less than 10% degradation. Here is the real-world implication. If you drive 12,000 miles per year, which is close to the American average, this battery could last 45 to 90 years before requiring replacement. In theory, your grandchildren could inherit the car and still have substantial capacity remaining. This is not planned obsolescence. This is engineering aimed at generational ownership. For many drivers over 60, it could genuinely be the last car they ever buy because the battery is designed to outlast the vehicle itself. 7 engineering breakthroughs, 1 disruptive price point, $12,749. This is not a stripped-down economy car. This is Tesla redefining what affordable means in 2026. An Aerospace-style chassis, artificial intelligence-driven safety systems, a luxury-grade suspension concept, self-diagnosing maintenance, next-generation battery options, all packaged into a vehicle priced below many 3-year-old used trucks. Finally, if you want to be among the first to own the car that makes electric ownership cheaper than gasoline ownership, comment Model 2 ready. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss the order link the moment Tesla opens reservations. In the next video, we will go deeper into how the Model 2's unboxed manufacturing approach could force every legacy automaker to redesign their factories or fall behind. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I will see you in the next one.